Tomorrow's plan, questions and answers. When asking questions about the future, you can ask questions like, what are you going to do tonight? What are you doing next week? When do you plan on doing your homework? When are you going to eat dinner? What time do we have to leave for the airport? What should we do tonight? There are many different questions you can ask. By changing a few words, you can make numerous questions properly about the future. When you are answering questions that relate to the future, remember to use the future tense. Here's some ways to answer the questions directly above. What are you going to do tonight? I plan on meeting John after dinner. We're going to a nightclub. I'm going to take my girlfriend out to dinner, and if we have time, we might try to see a movie. What are you doing next week? Since I'm on vacation next week, I plan on going to Busan to visit some friends down there. Next week, I have to go shopping for all the Christmas presents. I have to buy a present for my dad, mom, and my 2 sisters. When do you plan on doing your homework? I think I'm going to do my homework after I watch the World Cup. I don't think I'll be able to concentrate until after the game is over. I'm so unmotivated to do my homework, but I'll eventually have to do it, so I'll get around to them probably after dinner. What time do you have to leave for the airport? The flight comes in at 4:30, so I plan on leaving at about 3:30. The security is pretty tight, so I should get there early. I plan on arriving there 2 hours before my flight leaves. What should we do tonight? After dinner, let's go grab a couple of beers. Then we can go shopping for a couple of hours, and afterwards, we can rent a video and watch it at my place. I'm pretty busy tonight. I have to do the laundry, vacuum, and then make dinner, so I won't be able to meet you tonight.